Fungi are classified as a kingdom of eukaryotic organisms on Earth. The study of fungi is called mycology. Mushrooms and mold are the most commonly known and recognizable fungi in the kingdom. Mushrooms and most other fungi consume nutrients by absorption through their cell wall, which is called the hyphae. This means they are heterotrophs as they cannot make their own food. The kingdom is further classified into 5 groups of phyla: Chytridiomycota, Zygomycota, Glomerulomycota, Ascomycota, and Basidiomycota. Species of fungi also exist as pathogens to many animals. Examples of the foods of fungi are mushrooms, truffles, and cheese. The Cordyceps unilateralis is a special fungus that grows in tropical conditions. It preys on the jungle ants, and this is the process. The parasitic cordyceps fungus enters the ant's body and infiltrates its mind. Then the ant's brain is taken control of by the fungus and directs the body upwards a plant. The ant becomes disorientated and therefore tightly latches its mandibles onto the stem precisely 25 meters above the ground. This is where the temperature and conditions favor the fungus to grow optimally. The ant dies at the stem, and then the cordyceps fruiting body grows out of the back of the ant's head. After the fungus has fully grown out of the ant, spores disperse from the tip and attack any ants around a square meter below. Then the cycle repeats. This process of one organism taking control of another's mind for its sole benefit is known as adaptive parasite manipulation. Nature builds on the basis of achieving equilibrium. Therefore, it is no surprise that fungi has so much ecological importance when it exists all around us in the world. It is also of great importance to the materialistic world of humans, as it is the primary source of creating bread, wine, cheese, mushrooms, and truffles. Fungi also have great importance to the world of medicine in humans. An example of this is penicillin, which was created using the mold penicillium by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Another example is the fungi ergo, which is used in labor-inducing drugs and LSD. Mycology has resulted in the research and deeper understanding of genetic engineering and molecular biology to humans today. While fungi live on land and in water, they also naturally occur in the human body. However, when a foreign fungus invades an area of the body and overrides the immune system, this is called a fungal infection. Most of these infections are caused by fungus that is common in said environments. The first fungal infection is blastomycosis. This is caused by the blastomyces fungus that lives in decomposing organic matter in USA and Canada. The symptoms are flu-like and may include fever, cough, night sweats, and chest pain. The second fungus is Cryptococcus gattii. The C. gattii fungus lives in tropical and subtropical areas of the world. In the lungs, symptoms are common to other lung diseases. An example is coughing and short breath. The third fungus is Coccidioidomycosis, which is also known as valley fever. This is a lung infection that is caused by the coccidioids fungus. This disease is found in USA, Mexico, and through Central and South America. Most patients will not experience symptoms of valley fever, but the symptoms are flu-like and may include cough, fever, shortness of breath, and fatigue. Blastomycosis is not contagious, and there is no vaccine available. However, doctors will prescribe a medication called itraconazole for a period of 6 to 12 months to patients infected with it. The C. gattii infection is also not contagious and is found in patients with weakened immune systems. They can be prescribed fluconazole for a minimum of 6 months if infected. Valley fever is also not contagious and is common in people with weakened immune systems, pregnant women, or diabetic patients. There is currently no vaccine available, but antifungal medication can be prescribed to those affected. Fungi are used in the industrialization and production of many products such as vitamins and enzymes that hold incredible value in the field of biotechnology. Examples of fungi being used in biotechnology can be seen in alcohol, which may not be the most advantageous discovery to humans, but is certainly a popular result of yeast ecology. And certain fungi, such as mushrooms, have been directly cultivated as a source of food, while other fungi have been altered and processed to create other foods, such as bread and cheeses. And the fungi have also been used for recreational purposes, such as the creation of lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD. And studies by the Department of Biotechnology in Spain suggest that 22% of all antibiotics are derived from fungi. Modern scientists have made revolutionary progress in using fungi in cell factories, as recorded studies suggest that scientists have only experimented with less than 5% of known fungi. Further exploration of fungi can lead to the discovery of new hosts and pathways for food and medicine.